Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Acetal, P, is CH3-CH, OH, which upon acid hydrolysis, H3O+, gives acetaldehyde, CH3-CH, and ethanol. Compound Q is diethyl ether, CH3-CH2O CH2CH3, which does not hydrolyze under mild acidic conditions to give an aldehyde. Moving on to the next step. When treated with H3O+, acetal P hydrolyzes to give acetaldehyde, CH3-CH, and ethanol. Diethyl ether Q does not hydrolyze under these conditions and remains unchanged. Moving on to the next step. The hydrolysis of P produces ethanol, which reacts with Na to evolve H2 gas. Q, diethyl ether, does not produce an alcohol under mild conditions and does not react appreciably with Na to give H2. So H3O+ followed by Na can differentiate them. And for the final step, the acetaldehyde produced from hydrolysis of P gives a silver mirror with Tollens reagent. It is an aldehyde. Q yields no aldehyde, so no silver mirror. Thus H3O+ followed by Tollens test differentiates them. Acetaldehyde produced from P reduces Felling's solution, aliphatic aldehyde, giving a Brickred precipitate of Cu2O. Q gives no aldehyde, so no Brickred precipitate. Thus H3O+ followed by Felling's test also differentiates them. Since all three methods, H3O+ Na, H3O+ Tollens, H3O+ Felling, can individually differentiate P from Q, option D, all of these is correct. Therefore, the correct answer is D. Therefore, the correct answer is option D.